Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm your D trader next door Abhilash, and in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, AUD. So this analysis is for 23rd March only. You will see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 24th March tomorrow again. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So as you can see on the screen, my 5 days workshop is coming up on 2nd April. Though I have started this channel recently, many have approached and shown their interest in learning. So therefore, if you want to learn charts, chart patterns, indicators, support and resistance, market psychology, then you can also sign up for the website. The link is in the description. Okay. So you can see that this is a chart of Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, and this time I have inserted three arrows on the screen. Okay, three green big arrows on the screen. Let me take out the pencil. So we know it very well that it was in downtrend and it was very easy for us to trade because it was getting resistance from the 50 moving average. Okay, this blue line is the 50 moving average. So whenever it was going up, 50 moving average was giving the resistance. Okay, and as a result there was some price rejection from above and we were getting the opportunity to short the market. Okay, so right now you can see that market is trading here. The current market price is 0.9662. Okay, and market is still trading below the 50 moving average. So can we short the market again? No. Okay, let me explain you why the situation has changed now. If you look at the first arrow, okay, just look at this first position. Okay, market went up a little. Okay, got resistance and ultimate and came down. Okay, without wasting time it came down again. Market went up, price rejection from above, got resistance, market came down. Now see, market went up, hit the 50 moving average and see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, 10 to 11 candles and market is still not showing any heavy selling sign of coming down, and we can see that. Okay, we can see that. mm, and we can see that market is kind of not in a mood to go down. Okay, because and this is not convincing enough. Okay, so one thing is very clear to us that yes, sellers were in pressure, sellers were dominating the market. Okay, but right now they are not dominating the market. Okay, so what shall we do then? You can see that I have drawn two lines on the screen. Okay, 0.9720, this is the resistance one, and this is the support, this line here. So one is a resistance and one is a support. Okay, so our duty is to just wait and watch. Okay, we do not need to trade anything, or we don't need to trade right now. Okay, just wait for the market to behave. Okay, that this is our no trading zone right now. Though market is trading below the 50 moving average, but the candles are telling us a different story. The candles are telling us that yes, market is not in a mood to go down further. Okay, in case market crosses this support level. Okay, in case market crosses this support level with good amount of volume, then that's a different chapter. Okay, but right now we are in a no trading zone. Okay, because if I zoom in, okay, if I zoom in, okay, just forget about the downturn of the market. Okay, just try to where is my pencil? Okay, just try to look at the market from this point. Okay, if you look at only this portion, okay, then it seems that yes, market is not having trend, because yes, sellers were in pressure, sellers were dominating, but right now sellers are not dominating the market. As a result, it will be risky for us to short the market. Therefore, we will only be looking for market either to cross this level, okay, or this level, okay. If market crosses this level, okay, with good amount of volume, then we can go for a buy, okay, if market crosses this level, okay. On the other hand, if market crosses this support level with good amount of volume, okay, then we can sell. But remember one thing, confirmation is very important. As I always mention in my video, how will get the confirmation? So when market will cross this level, okay, this resistance, then wait for 3 hours, 4 hours, and just try to understand, okay, just try to observe the market, okay, just see whether market is trading comfortably or not. If you see that after 3 4 hours market is still trading comfortably above the level, then it is clear to us that, or it will be clear to us that the resistance has become the support now, okay, and then we can easily go for a buy above this level, okay, and this will be our target 0.9800. On the other hand, if market crosses this level with great volume or good volume, okay, then also we can short below this market, but we need to wait for 3 4 hours and observe the market. If we see that after 3 4 hours, yes, sellers are still dominating the market, okay, then only we will short below this line. But as of now, market is in no trading zone for us, because though market is trading below the 50 moving average, but candles are telling us a different story, okay. So we need something more, okay, for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar to short the market. So this is the analysis for Australian dollar, Canadian dollar for 23rd March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye. Good luck, and do not forget to subscribe.